iPhone and iPad users often back up essential files due to data loss risks. While iTunes and iCloud are popular, their storage is limited. Using iCloud Drive can provide extra space for your backups. Part 1. What is iCloud Drive? iCloud Drive is iCloud's file hosting service for iOS 8, OS X Yosemite version 10, Windows 7 or later. It allows users to save any kind of file, such as photos, videos, documents, music, and other applications data. Part 2. How to enable iCloud Drive on iPhone iPad. For iOS 11 users, go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud. Toggle iCloud Drive on. For iOS 10 users, open Settings and scroll to iCloud. Select iCloud Drive and toggle it on. Part 3. How to show iCloud Drive on the screen. Go to Settings, iCloud Drive. Toggle Show on home screen to on. Exit Settings, and you'll find iCloud Drive on your home screen. Part 4. Full guide on how to manage iCloud Drive. Delete, move files. 1. Move files in iCloud Drive. Open the Files app and tap Browse. Select iCloud Drive. Tap Select, choose a file, and tap Move. Choose a folder and tap Move again. For iOS 10 users, open iCloud Drive from the home screen. Tap a folder and select Files. Tap Select at the top right. Choose Files and tap Move to relocate them. 2. Delete files in iCloud Drive. iOS 11 files. Browse locations. iCloud Drive files. Select Files. Tap Delete to remove. Be cautious. No confirmation is given. Recover deleted files from recently deleted if needed. iOS 10. Open iCloud Drive. Select the folder with files to move. Tap Select. Choose Files. Tap Delete and confirm with Delete from iCloud Drive. 3. Increase iCloud Drive storage space on iPhone iPad. iOS 11 users, go to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, Manage Storage. Tap iCloud Storage, then Change. Select your preferred storage plan, tap Buy, and sign into your Apple ID to confirm purchase. iOS 10 users, in Settings, iCloud Storage, select Buy More Storage or Change Storage Plan. Choose your plan, tap Buy at the top right, and sign in to complete.